This lovely little silver makeup bag. Boxed most of this and took it out of its packaging. So a lovely little blushed liquid dusty rose blush, which is quite light, but I think that will work better for me. A lovely little brush candy puffs. These are like under eye little puffs. This is amazing. This is the P. Louise Skin Lip Protect Your Pout, and it's a lip conditioner, and it's in the shade Vanilla even. And then a lovely Trick as Well Cosmetics cheek and eye blush, lovely like peachy pink shade. Then this Metamorphosis cheek and lip tint, which is like glittery, but it changes. It's like a pH changing gloss. I did try it on my cheek feeling. It is a little bit glossy, so I probably would just use it on my lips. The Mallows Beauty SPF 50. It also kindly sent me the Dr. Pawpaw Day Cream, which I am obsessed with the Dr. Pawpaw Eye Cream, which I've been using for years. It'd be really nice to have a day cream. This gorgeous Kaleidoscope MUA palette, that silver shade and the gold shade looks stunning. I can't wait to use that. Luminous Glow Loose Setting Powder by MUA, which is funny because I actually use the matte setting powder by MUA, which is really good for under my eyes. A little lip mask from Gen C, I think that's how you pronounce the brand. And then a under eye brightening powder in the shade Almond, which is definitely my shade. And then I've put another shade on the stairs, which is Vanilla, so they look like this on the stairs to take up, because I'm going to use this shade first and then the other shade. This will be such a nice face powder. It's under eye brightening, but I think it'll be good for my whole face as well because I'm quite pale. And then lastly, this is really nice as well, the Pro Base Glow Dew Illuminating Primer in the shade Spark with apricot oil and papaya. It smells amazing. So thank you so much to Amelia for sending me all of these goodies. It was so kind of her. It was a giveaway that I won a while ago, and I'm just so grateful. Grateful to have been sent all these. So thank you so much to Amelia if she's watching. I'm sorry I'm doing it on a blanket. Nowhere else to show it. Amazing goodies. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. This is the eyeshadow I used using the Huda Beauty palette and the mascara.